Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today, we're going to be repairing this HOMAG model P2418HT touchscreen monitor. As you can see, it took quite a hit, so we're going to have to swap the screen out for a new one. So let's get into the video. We're going to start with using a Phillips screwdriver to remove the 4 screws by the Visa mount. Then using one hand to put pressure on the center of the back panel, snap the back panel off of the retention clips on the frame. Yes, this unit actually has a cracked back panel. It doesn't affect functionality, so we're just going to leave it. Using a spudger, remove the USB and power button cables on the right side of the mainboard. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove the 4 screws holding the metal cover to the screen. Now, we unplug the LVDS image cable, the backlight cable, and the touch cable from the broken screen. To avoid damaging the cables, it's very important to gently pry them out from the tabs at the edges and not to pull straight out, as that can break one of the small internal wires. Remove the whole board assembly from the broken screen. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove the 1 screw holding the USB board to the frame so we can remove it and expose the frame screw underneath. Remove the 9 screws holding the frame to the screen. Transfer the frame to the new screen. Replace all the screws we took out of the frame. Replace the USB board and its cover. Replace the mainboard assembly and screw it back into the LCD panel. Plug the 3 cables back in to their ports on the screen. When plugging them back in, make sure to put pressure evenly from the sides of the cable head and don't press with your finger straight down, as that can damage the cables. Make sure they are fully plugged in. If not all the pins are contacting properly, it will cause display issues. Now we replace the USB and power button cables into their correct ports on the motherboard. Just like before, make sure they are fully plugged in. Now all that's left to do is put the back panel back on. This is how you repair a cracked screen on an HOMAG model P2418HT touchscreen monitor. If you need to source a replacement screen, there will be a link down below. If you don't want to do this repair yourself, you can reach out to us on our website over at lcdguarantee.com or our email at info@lcdguarantee.com, where we offer a mail-in repair service. Thanks for watching.